Next time you're in Victoria, you have to try a restaurant called Tulum for Joshkin's amazing Turkish eggs. They're pretty incredible, aren't they?
Yeah, so we call it Cilbir, but now I'm going to make you more homey. That's how my mom used to make for me.
Oh, I love that, because the one at the restaurant, there are many different elements to it. So we'd be here all day.
Yep. So it's less technical, it's more homey.
So what is Cilbir?
So Cilbir is basically, it's the yogurt with the poached egg. So while I'm poaching the egg, can you whip the yogurt with garlic and a little bit salt, please?
Now, this is not just your average yogurt. This has been strained, almost to be turned into a labneh. And you want it to be really smooth, don't you?
Correct, yeah.
Okay, so giving it a good whip. Then we add some garlic, so I'm just going to mince that straight in.
Please, yeah. So with my poached egg, I never poach the eggs in a boiling water. So I just add a little bit vinegar and the salt.
Right.
But now this water a little bit calm down and then poach the eggs straight in.
Gosh, beautiful. I love poached eggs.
Oh, me too.
And I think there's a lot of people out there that want to know how to make them perfect every time. There's so many different versions. But I think you would agree with me. As long as those eggs are really fresh, poaching is just seamless.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So whipping that. Pinch of salt.
Yes, please. And maybe a little bit more water.
Water. That's just going to help it thin out a bit.
Yes.
There we go. So lots of butter for this recipe.
A lot of. Never enough.
And is this just melting it, or are you going to make it into like a beurre noisette?
So we're going to, like, a almost nutty flavour is coming out.
Lovely. So we just want to wait for that to melt. And how are those eggs going?
Eggs is almost there. I think I need another 30 seconds.
Yep.
So we're going to wait, bubble the butter.
Yep.
And in between, this eggs is going to be cooked perfectly.
Sounds good.
Okay, butter is ready now. And then add in smoke and Turkish chili flakes.
Turkish chili flakes, they're your favourite. You
I
use it a lot.
love it, yes. Look at this.
Because it's not like spicy.
It's not.
It's warm, actually, yeah. Oh, I love how it just foams up like that.
Yes, it's ready to go now.
Perfect. Okay, so next stage is, I guess, to plate up. Your eggs are cooked to perfection.
Yes, please. So we need some salt on top. So while I'm put the yogurt on my plate, can you chop a little bit parsley?
Can do, absolutely.
And there's like almost 2 spoons of this beautiful hang yogurt or labneh.
Love it.
Look at this.
I usually associate your poached eggs with just some toast, but this way is just delicious if you haven't tried.
And now I'm gonna pour this burnt butter. Look at this.
I could just drink that butter. It's probably too rich, but I do love butter.
So probably, yes, that's parsley on top. And also, why not, rose petals.
So pretty, so pretty.
So this is our Cilbir. So now you can't have this without Turkish pita bread.
Of course. I've warmed it up for you, nice and toasty. And how would you eat this traditionally?
Just rip the bread off, straight into the egg, mix it with yogurt, with butter. That's it.
All right, so just break the egg.
Absolutely.
Okay. Oh, look at that egg. It's so perfect. I definitely want some of that butter. Ooh. You know what? I absolutely love this dish, just as much as the classic you get at Tulum restaurant.
Brilliant.
Oh, you're the best.
Thank you.